Let's do this. It is the last week of the AVA giveaway. If you did not know, we are giving away an AVA Cinema Remote. This piece of equipment right here is going to revolutionize the way you do smart living. Let's talk about it. So for the last weeks, we have made weekly videos about this remote. On week 1, we unboxed it. Week 2, we set up a little bit of it. Week 3, week 4, we downloaded some apps. Let me summarize it. This remote has IR and IP drivers to control all of your audio-video devices. It is an Android device that has access to the Google Play Store. What does that mean? That any app, all of your smart apps can be downloaded to it, or also any app. In one of the demos, we actually went to YouTube and showed a video from Mr. Beast. We demoed the Ring. This device has the Sonos app, the Lutron app, the Nest app. All of your smart home apps can be downloaded straight to the television so you can walk around and control it. Just like any other or all other user interfaces, they're gonna separate it per room, and then you have your commands and your options. This right here is a well-built device that has a touchscreen at the top, interactive keypad at the bottom. The keypad changes based on what you do on the screen. So if you are watching devices, this is gonna do something. If you are controlling your devices, then you'll notice that it does something else. You see, fully interactive, it does change colors. The device itself, it does have some programming things that you can update to it. You can change the flow, you can move around things, you can edit your macros. This device, it is available for purchase on our website, looklistenlive.shop. The pricing on our website includes the device, it includes express shipping, it includes a virtual training with one of our technicians, and it also includes deactivation. So now that I gave you all the summary of what the device does, let me show you how you can win one. On July 10th, we're going to be going live. We're going to be going live and announce the winner. July 6th is the last day to enter. How do you enter? This is the 5th video that we dropped on our YouTube channel and on our Instagram. So what do you have to do? You have to subscribe to the YouTube and you have to comment below Empire AVA. Every video you comment on gets you an entry, but step 2 is go to our Instagram, follow us, and tag 2 people. That's how you enter. You can get 5 free entries and you can win it. But if you want to increase the chances, there is an unlimited way to enter. Shop with us. For every $1 that you spend, you get an entry. If you happen to buy the remote on our website and you win it, we can ship you a second one or we can give you a refund. We can still schedule the 1-hour virtual with you because we want to meet with you and we want to connect with you, but we will ship this bad boy to you so you can get it activated, up and running. Shop with us, get you some gear, get you some products, subscribe to the channel. This has been fun. I really hope that you win it, and I hope that you've been tuning in the entire way. Because guess what? Next week, I got another treat for y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Go watch another video. Have yourself an awesome day.